Hi everyone, welcome to this session on TensorFlow and Keras, two powerful tools for deep learning. If you have ever wondered how machine can recognize face, translate language, or even generate art, the answer lies in deep learning, and that's exactly what we are going to explore today. So don't worry if you are a beginner. I'll keep things simple, real, and relatable. So let's get started. So, first question is what exactly deep learning? It's a type of machine learning, but instead of using rule for decision trees, deep learning try to learn with the way our brain works through something called neural network. Imagine how your brain learns from experience. Deep learning models do something similar, but with data. It's used everywhere today, like self-driving cars, voice assistant like Siri and Alexa, or even our Netflix when it's recommend show. Basically, deep learning helps machine make smart decision by learning examples. So now let's talk about the TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source library created by Google. It helps developers to build trained machine learning models and deep learning models. The best part is it's a super powerful and work on everything from your laptop to use server like a cloud. You can use it to build complex model for anything from predicting stock price to detecting object images and everything. Think of TensorFlow as an engine that powers many of a smart technology you see around you today. And when we talk about the Keras, so what Keras comes in? Keras is actually user-friendly layer built on top of TensorFlow. It's like a shortcut to building a deep learning model. Instead of writing hundreds line of code to build a single model, with Keras we can do it just 10 to 20 line. It's a perfect for beginner because it's a clean, simple, and super readable. You can build neural network just by stacking a few layers, like a building blocks. So TensorFlow is a powerful and Keras make it easy to use. Together they make a great team. Now we'll understand some differences between the TensorFlow and Keras. So let's compare these two different things. TensorFlow gives us the full control, but it can be little complex for beginner. Keras is easier to use and great for getting things started. But here the thing, Keras is actually part of TensorFlow now. So when you install TensorFlow, Keras comes in built-in. You can both use at the same time. So for most of the just starting out, we can use Keras with TensorFlow in the background. It's just like a driving autonomous car with powerful engine. You can both simplify and strength. Now let's see the what we can build. So you might be wondering what I can actually build with these tools. Well, here are some real world examples. You can create an image classifier, so tell whether the photo is cat or dog, build a chatbot for the question answering, detecting fake news, spam detections, or even predict a stock price, or build a recommender system like Amazon, Netflix, and our Flipkart. So honestly, once you get a basic down, you can build a many cool things. The possibilities are huge. If we see the workflow of deep learning, there are some quick overview of deep learning works behind the scenes using the Keras. So firstly, you prepare or clean your data. This could be image, text, number, whether you are working with it. Then you define your model. This is just a means choosing how many layers your neural network should have. Next, you compile the model. That means choosing how your model will learn and what to optimize. Then you train it. You show in the data and it keep adjusting to better. And finally, you test to evaluate the model, see how it will learn. Using Keras, each of this is done just a few line of code. That's why beginner friendly. We are saying this is a beginner friendly. Now, if we see some real world use cases, so let me give some real world example of TensorFlow and Keras action. Google Translate use TensorFlow to translate language. Facebook uses deep learning for face recognition. Self-driving cars use it to detect people, lanes, and obstacles. Even artists use deep learning to create a digital art photos. So whether it's a tech, healthcare, e-commerce, or entertainment, deep learning is everywhere. So why learn deep learning? So there is some like a simple idea behind that why we are using deep learning. So it's a revolution. Nowadays we are using that. It helps us to solve complex problem which cannot solve by the normal machine learning model. And there is a open for career opportunity whether you want to be data science, AI engineer, computer vision, NLP engineer. So there is a lot of opportunities are present in this field. So that's why it's a field which we can learn and we can grow our career. Now if we look at to the summary point of view, what we have seen in this video. So deep learning helps a machine learn like a human brain and using neural network. TensorFlow is a powerful engine used to build deep learning model. Keras is a beginner friendly tools to build, which is built on top of TensorFlow, which make it easy to use, and together they help us to build a simple application and smart application like a chatbot, image classifier, and more. So if you are just starting out with the AI or machine learning, TensorFlow and Keras is a perfect place to begin. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this help you to understand how TensorFlow and Keras work in deep learning and how you can start the building your own model. Even if you are new to coding or AI, you can start with the simple things. You can explore the documentation, you can see some videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances and curriculum creators are. Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with bringing a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.